Jerical Carpet Cleaning.
Welcome to spacesbox.com, michaelgulde.com, and spacesbox.com, and YouTube Space Acer.
Howdy, this is Space from spacesbox.com, Michael Gulde, and today we're going to do a review of Jerical Professional House and Office Floor and Carpet Cleaning. They came out to my residence and cleaned the carpets. They did a nice job. We'll show you before pictures and before video. This is the carpet before it was cleaned. See the black mark? It's throughout the carpet. My old roommate left it, but my new roommate is kind of stuck with it. So this is her room before we got it cleaned, and this is the mark what's on the floor, and those are the marks that are on the floor, and there's another picture of them. And we have some stuff from us eating dinner and stuff. Anyway, we'll now show you after video and pictures. This is the floor as you come through the front entryway walking back, and we don't see the black mark as much, and it looks pretty good. It's a little damp, but other than that, you see some of the black there, but not as much as it was before. I'm really impressed that they got it mostly cleaned up, and you don't see any more over there to the right. We had our food. You don't see either there. Here's some pictures. My only complaint about the professionalism and anything about the job is the floor was damp because they didn't have enough fans to dry the carpets well enough, and it was a cold day, so it stayed damp for about a day. They did an awesome job. They really brought up the dirt out of the carpets, and I think they did a bang up job. Put their information in the about page and of this video, and if you're interested in having them take a look at your stuff and do a estimate or go out and clean your carpets, tell them that Michael sent you. Maybe they'll say I did them a good job. Anyway, this is Space from spacesbox.com.
If you like this video, please select subscribe. Like it or not like it.